I'm stuck on you. Ayun. Kinanta na natin to sa Blue Marlin na sa San Fernando. Ayun, balikan natin ang I'm stuck on you. Batiin natin ng una si Andrew Warby at sa kanyang may bahay at sa kanyang mga chikiting na magaganda at pugi. Shout out sa inyo. I'm stuck on you. I'm just a feeling that deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could be around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. Needed a friend, and though we have till now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad to stay. Oh, I'm living in the midnight time tomorrow. I fuck up my trouble in the dream and thrown away because a little darling is coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I'm just a feeling that deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Glad to stay. I'm mighty glad to stay. Thank you. Shout out na rin dyan kay Josephine Timbal. Ayun. Shout out sa iyo. Na may ingat-ingat lagi. Shoutout na rin dyan kay Tia Claire dyan sa London at kay Tio John dyan sa LA. Siyempre kay Mitch at sa kanyang mga chikiting at sa kanyang napakabait na asawa si Kuya Vic. Shoutout na rin kay Tia Nor, kay Glenda at kay Rosalie Baskis dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Shoutout na rin kay Bimbim. Ayun, shoutout sa Bimbim. At siyempre naman download tayo sa Pampanga. Shoutout na rin kay Gilbert Bernal at kay Erms. Ayun, naway magpakarami kayo. Kalatan ninyo ang lupa. Ayun. At inyong supilin.